Hi guys, it's Amna Hussain back with another amazing and lively conversation with one of the amazing, versatile professional with me joining from Dubai. He is Muhammad Ikram, ACCA and CMA qualified. Also now a founder of Al Buruj Management Consultants in Dubai. So I welcome Ikram. How are you doing?
Thank you very much, Amna. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I'm well. How about you?
Walaikum assalam. Thank you very much for being here. I'm good, alhamdulillah. Once again, appreciate your time and pleasure to do this session so that our audience and network can know more about yourself, that what do you do, what is your background, your interest, your achievements so far over here in UAE market, what you're trying to serve and offer. So let's begin from the time we met and how we discover about yourself, how we discover about your goals and mission you want to achieve. So what would you like to share?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank you for having me on this platform. And when we personal branding plays a very vital role in our success.
Yeah.
And when last year when I met with you, I realized that we are the ambassador of our own profession, and it's up to us that how we market ourselves. And I greatly appreciate your help for helping me in this area and guiding me in the personal branding. Today is the session is the part of the same series. As far as my introduction is concerned, I'm Muhammad Ikram. I'm a fellow member of Institute of Cost and Management Accountant of Pakistan. I'm also a member of ACCA, having more than 17 years experience in the a diversified industry. I started my career in 2003 as a personal secretary in the National Defense University, Islamabad. No doubt it was not an accounting job, but I want to start my career. And my accounting career starts from 2006. I worked in Kenwood Home and Kitchen Appliances, Islamabad. I worked Askari Cement. I worked young group of companies till 2013. And in 2013, I moved to UAE to explore the UAE market. Here I worked with a multinational trading company where I was responsible for overseeing their sorry financial matters and tax and compliance matters. I was also overseeing their logistic department, which covers Africa, Asia, and all of the Middle East region. I have the advisory role in this company. Last year, I decided to move from the job sector to the entrepreneurship. So I established my own management consultancy firm, which is Al Buruj Management Consultants. We provide a variety of services under this umbrella. We provide accounting, bookkeeping services, corporate tax services, VAT services. We also assist the companies to do the proper financial planning, and we also assist the news entrepreneurs to set up the new businesses in UAE. We also assist in opening the bank accounts, stamping their visas, and also helping them to get the corporate finance from the different financial institutions, which really help them to grow, as this is the main requirement for any of the business.
Right.
Apart from this, I also serve as a chairman of ICM UAE Branch Council.
Okay.
Being the chairman of the branch council, we help our accounting community about the job hunting strategies, as well as we help them to keep themselves updated with the current updates of the financial regulations, tax related matters. I personally in touch with so many job seekers, and I give them insights about the UAE market, because I want them to know before coming to UAE what are the challenges they are going to face, and what proactive approach they can use to get the proper role in the UAE market. We as a team of UAE branch council have deployed number of candidates in the UAE market, and it's definitely it's the team efforts.
That's great. Okay, so if I ask you that why you chose this field or what made you passionate about to step into the entrepreneurship, so what would you like to share from your side?
Yeah, so if sorry, if you talk about the why I chose this finance field, literally it was not a choice, but it was the only option. In 2003, when I completed my BCom, and I decided to pursue my studies. I belong to a small village in district Attock, Pakistan, where normally in the villages there are less career guidance available. So after the BCom, like in the conventional studies, everyone is looking for like MCom or master or something like that. So I was looking for the study which is viable with the job, because I have already started job immediately after qualifying the BCom. So at that time, ICMA was the only option which I can continue with my job. And yes, I started in 2004 and I qualified in 2009.
Okay.
It was a 3 years certification, but I completed this in 5 years due to my job. Definitely, it was very challenging,
Yeah.
but I always remember a quote by Nelson Mandela that it always seems impossible until it's done. So I was the first one who started this degree from my locality, and I did it. I did it with all of these challenges.
That's great. And since then, you were like that. I have to be more excel into this field, and you are excelling now. That what I can see and what I can recommend in the market now about your services, your offering, because of course you have been through a journey in your
Yeah,
career. Yeah, and that
yeah,
made you more polished, more groomed, more confident, right? That's what we are trying to actually also create the awareness in our
yeah.
network, right?
Yes,
Related
yes,
to by sharing our knowledge and experiences. Okay,
yeah.
so what is the main or major difference or change you saw that when we had a communication on our coaching programs, especially personal branding and using LinkedIn? So, what would you like to share about your
Yeah,
insight?
yeah. So basically, if you talk about the challenges and how we are going to tackle those challenges, the one of the challenges, is the artificial intelligence and digitalization, and LinkedIn is a part of that advancement. And the challenge which I feel most of the accounting community, they are living in the comfort zone. They don't want to break the comfort zone, and it's a very important to break the comfort zone, because your life begins at the end of your comfort zone. So I was also one of those accountants who were living in the comfort zone. You can say before last before the before the 2 years, and then I realized that literally I'm not doing good enough, and this is not the life which this is not the profession which I am going to pursue.
Okay.
So I then I luckily I met with you, and at that time, literally when I met with you, I have only few connections on the LinkedIn, and as I told you that I was also one of those accountants who were in the comfort zone. If we are using LinkedIn, just going for the easy apply job, and that's it. So when I met with you, I learned a lot from you on the especially to you how to get maximum benefit from the LinkedIn. And today, if I say I have 6,000 plus followers,
Wow.
and that's the direct result of your consultation.
Right. And you know what?
So and
Yeah, go on.
I truly I see the why I say we are in the comfort zone, because we don't want to expand our network. That's the very crucial part. We want to meet only those people who are like who we are used to talk. We don't want to expand the network. We forget that our network is our net worth.
Exactly. And it's all about also the self-awareness that once you realize that this need you have to practice now, then you take action. And when you take action, when you step forward, then you start seeing the results. So I truly appreciate your practices, your efforts also, that how you understood and tried to absorb the processes also, or the insights of LinkedIn, personal branding, because it's something really is attached and with you, with your brand.
Yeah, very true.
Okay.
Very true.
So wherever someone is listening about Al Buruj management consultant in Dubai, so they can remember you, they can recognize you, they can know you, they can connect with you and talk to you about your services, right? That's what is the significance of branding. So
yes, and as I told you that we are the ambassador of our own profession. It's up to us how we brand ourselves. That's the how we like we are the seller of our own self. We are it depends how we market ourselves and how we sell ourselves.
Yeah.
If we are going to brand ourselves in the top category, definitely we will get the best rate. But if we are living in the comfort zone and we are not emphasizing on these areas, definitely we will not get those results as compared to the ones who are branding themselves.
Absolutely. Okay, so now I want to ask you that as the change is going on in the trends, and AI is there, and at the same time you are there to offer the accounting services. Okay, so what you see some challenges maybe, and then how you can help more to overcome those challenges for your clients. So what would you like to add on?
Very good question, Amna. This AI and digitalization is the main challenge which every profession is facing. And as per the McKinsey study, I think 2.4 million jobs AI will replace by the end of 2030 in the US market. And most of these jobs are the repetitive nature job. And there's a outlay in the there is a shift in the professions also, like people are shifting from their profession to the other profession due to this digitalization. Now it's up to us how we tackle this challenge. Okay, one thing is clear that okay, we can't stop the digitalization, that's for sure. That's but now how we are going to tackle this situation? Only the people, I think, will survive who are going to adapt this technological advancement. And they are in the safe, you can say, they are in the safe mood. They can survive only if they adopt the new advancement.
Right.
In the finance field, there are certain new financial regulations and tax compliances issues, and it's not only in the UAE, it's across the globe. The financial regulation complexity is increased. Everyone wants to have the proper books of accounts, proper records. Everyone has to, as we talk, if we talk about the UAE market right now, the corporate tax is there. And the requirement of the corporate tax is not just the corporate tax registration. The corporate tax needs the companies to maintain their proper books of accounts, to have a proper trail of their financial transactions, and to get them audited also. So we are here to support the business community, to help to keep their proper proper books of accounts and proper financial records. And the tax assessment and tax planning plays very important role. If planning always plays a very vital role. If you are not ready for something, and all of at the 11th hour you have to submit certain reports to the financial institutions, that's a very crucial task. So we are here to support on in this area, from the corporate tax registration to all of the tax compliances. And also, UAE is a business hub. Everyone wants to set up the businesses in the UAE. We are here to support them to set up the business in the UAE. And it's not only the business sector. We also support in the assistance, how to open the bank accounts, how to comply with certain regulations, and how about the visa processes, and also the definitely the tax compliances is there.
Right.
So we can provide a variety of services. It's a very important that you have to start acting now. Planning phase is already over. Now you have to start acting. How you make a proactive approach about these compliances.
Wow, that's great. And what type of professionals you want that they should connect with you? And maybe they want some help. So to whom you would like to invite?
Yeah, so as I told you, all of the companies who are registered in UAE, and they are doing some sort of businesses either in the mainland, either in the free zone, they can contact with us about any of the issues which can be related to their financial matters, accounting matters, tax related matters. They can contact us, and we will help them to solve these issues. As I told you, that corporate debt financing is the main area which everyone needs here in the UAE. We have a strong relationship with the banks, and we can assist the businesses to get the corporate loans, and which is the main requirement to meet the working capital requirements.
Okay. And one
And this
additional,
is the
yeah,
yeah,
go
this
on.
is the like this is definitely my profession. And apart from this, I am also passionate to connect with the job seekers. I want to help them about the job hunting strategies, about the UAE market. I want to I always tell them about what mistakes I have done and what challenges I have faced, because I want them to know these challenges, and so that they shouldn't repeat those kind of mistakes in their career. Because I firmly believe that if you do good, good will come to you.
Definitely, definitely, and highly agree on this note. It's all about intentions. It's all about sharing your experiences with the professionals out there so
Yeah.
that we can help more and provide support to the newcomers and even any other professional out there. Okay, so one additional question I want to ask that your services, are your services only based in UAE and all Emirates or GCC, other countries of GCC? Like you
So
guys can provide remotely, or are there any hybrid models of your offerings?
Right now, what we are doing, we are mainly focusing in the UAE market, and we're providing service in the UAE. But we have a strong collaboration in the KSA market, that we have a strong collaboration with one of the major firms there. They can provide certain compliance services as per the KSA market, like a zakat reporting and auditing in the KSA. Yes, definitely. And we are also working to expand the operation to Qatar and Bahrain. And definitely we will work on all of the GCC market.
That's great. Okay, so any closing thoughts or any message you want to share to our audience?
Yeah, see, definitely I want to say something on this side. We have to remember this, that dream is not something which we see in the sleep. Dream is something which doesn't let us sleep.
Oh, wow.
And we have to do certain assessment of ourselves. Last time, recently, I attended a seminar where I learned 3 questions that everyone has to ask to themselves.
Okay.
The first question is that what we want to be remembered for.
Okay.
Will we have enough to retire? And what we are doing with the relationships.
Amazing. Exactly.
Yeah.
That's so great that every individual should start thinking on these, points.
Yes.
Start generaling,
Yeah.
start visualizing, or start planning to work on these. That's so great advice and message from your side, Ikram. And I appreciate again your presence and our amazing collab inspiration we had, and so many best wishes for your life, for your career, for your business out there. I wish and pray that you flourish and
Thank you very much.
you become more successful, inshallah. So guys,
Inshallah.
thank you very much for watching
Yeah,
this
I would like to add
video.
one line also that see, as the most of this session we are focusing on the personal branding, and I strongly recommend all of the professionals, especially the finance professionals, to invest their time in this area because this truly makes the difference. And Amna and her team is there to help you individually on an individual basis to grow from the one step to the advanced level. Because if you are not going to do invest your time in this area, definitely you will not be in the race. Right now, it depends. Not right now, it's the question like whether you are in the race or not. If you are a conventional accountant, it means you are not in the race, so you have to change yourself. And like I have the good experience with Amna, and definitely you can contact with her, or if you want to contact with anyone else, contact, at least start from somewhere, so that you will really feel the difference. And I would like to thank Amna. Thank you very much for you, for my teachers, and for all of my family members, my parents, my wife, my children, for all of their support and encouragement. Really, without their support and the mentorship, and especially my friends also, without their support and encouragement, I wouldn't be at this stage. So we should keep appreciating those people who help us at any point of time. And
That's so
yes, this is
brilliant.
this is the yeah.
That's so brilliant from your side,
Thank you
Ikram.
very much.
And yeah, absolutely. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any questions related to accounting services, any type of functionality you are looking for to be done in your companies or organization, feel free to connect with Ikram. I will leave his LinkedIn profile and all the details in this video. Do connect with him, ask him the questions. He is there to guide you, help you add the best of it in Dubai, in UAE, and more support from my side if you're looking for in terms of personal branding, career transition, career advisory. Feel free to connect with me at the same time. Make sure to think about yourself, that how much self-aware you are. And if you have any more questions or confusions, do ask. Do not hesitate to ask, because the more you ask, the more you learn. Stay tuned for more stories
Indeed.
and achievements. We will be celebrating more. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.